Understanding wildland fire is crucial for residents of the Southwest, especially as frequency and intensity of these fires continues to rise. The Fire Ecology Learning Lab, FEL, is a set of engaging hands-on lessons designed to introduce children and youth to the complexities of wildland fire. Aligned with state learning standards, these age-appropriate activities are rooted in local ecosystems, helping students connect and learn about the environment where they live. I'm Cole Brandt, and I'm the Fire Ecology Learning Lab team lead for the Southwest Fire Science Consortium. FEL was created to help agency staff and nonprofit organizations introduce students to fire ecology and careers in wildland fire management. In collaboration with the Forest Service, BLM, Cerise Consulting, and the Southwest Fire Science Consortium, we have created 4 kits to use at different age levels.
My name is Thea Garrett, and I'm the Regional Youth Engagement Specialist with the USDA Forest Service. The agency and informal curriculum was designed to be really easy to use. All of the lessons are pre-printed, all of the materials are assembled, ready to go. The K-2 curriculum is about community helpers, and so the focus is not on fire in its entirety, but about the role that different organizations and people within those organizations play to help protect outdoor spaces, but also the role that individuals like students can play in helping to steward the land.
My name is Francesca Baca, and I work for the Bureau of Land Management out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. The second curricular grade we have is grades 3 through 5, engaging with plant and animal adaptations to fire. Students learn the basics of combustion and how plants and animals adapt to their environment. Classes uses cards, colors, and experiments to explore these topics.
My name is Shyla Simpson, and I'm a Fire Ecology Learning Lab Ambassador. I really enjoy the 3 through 5 lesson because it focuses on evolutionary adaptations, and I think that's a really important thing to introduce in a wildfire context, and especially in the Southwest.
The middle school lesson, taken from our longer middle school curriculum, is all about discovering fuel properties. This hands-on lab experiment uses real fuels to help demonstrate the properties of vegetation as fuel in wildfires.
Our high school lesson has students dive into fire behavior and potential careers as they explore their own futures. This Fire Ecology Learning Lab lesson introduces the study of fire behavior using a matchstick forest experiment, as well as career paths available in fire ecology and other environmental fields. What I love about the high school Fire Ecology Learning Lab lesson is that students explore the actual science and use the vocabulary that wildland fire managers use in the field.
And one of the things that we did was to take a trauma-informed approach to designing all of the lessons, recognizing that a lot of students, teachers, community members have direct and lived experience with wildfire. I think that learning about fire ecology is really important for students because they're the next generation of public land stewards, voters, decision makers, and so it's really important for them to have an understanding of what fire does on the land. I've used them a lot in classroom situations, but I've also been able to use them at outreach events. I've been able to use them on career days. And so there's a lot of flexibility.
I think the program is really well designed and really enabled me as an ambassador to pick the lessons right up and get right into the classroom and start engaging with the kids.
It's really exciting to see students making connections between the curriculum and their backyards, their schoolyards, their alleys, their local parks, and I think that's one of the richnesses of the curriculum.
The Fire Ecology Learning Lab is a useful and available resource for managers across the Southwest. To learn more, request kits, or download the materials, visit the Southwest Fire Science Consortium website and click on the Fire Ecology Curriculum tab, then select Agency and Informal Educators. With tools like this, we can help the future generation of managers, researchers, and citizens learn how wildfire can be a positive force across the region.